Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cranberry mimosa. This cocktail is perfect for any occasion, super easy. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to use orange liqueur. I'm using Cointreau today. Champagne or sparkling wine. I'm using prosecco. Cranberry juice and some fresh lime juice. We're going to start by adding cranberry juice into the glass. Half ounce of Cointreau, half ounce of fresh lime juice, and last ingredient, we're gonna top it off with prosecco. And we're ready to garnish. I'm just gonna drop a few cranberries and a rosemary sprig. And that's how you make a cranberry mimosa. If you like the video, please share, comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!